where the government of Uganda identified one of the objectives to increase income and employment through sustainable use and value addition to the water, forests and other natural resources. So the investment which Uganda Investment Authority lances is in line with this objective. And the intervention was to promote forest cluster-based wood processing industries. And this is what we have been trying to do. But we have noted that the wood processing industries are not doing right things which they were licensed to do. They are not adding value to these resources. And we call upon them to revisit their licenses and ensure that they are adding value if they are to be relevant in this country. But for now, we feel that their level of production is unsustainable and they're depleting the forest cover in the country, which we have really been struggling to increase of late. And we appreciate your leadership in this initiative of implementing the presidential directive, and we are going to work together and we pledge our commitment. And thank you so much.
Of course, Mugoma, the report is ready, and by next week I'll be submitting the report to the different entities, and you will take up from there when we submit the report to you.
NFA?
We are pledging our support to this technical committee, the policy committee, and we have started a process of looking at the titles that we have created in the Central Forest Reserves, but also other protected area. We are going to be more than ready to support the team by initiating the cancellation of those titles that we have created in the forestry areas, but we shall also give support when it comes to boundary opening exercise to ascertain the boundaries of some of those protected areas. That is basically going to be our duty as far as we are concerned.
As an implementing arm of government, the Ministry of Water and Environment, we have committed ourselves to implement the presidential directive up to the dot. And therefore, I call upon my technical team, the whole country. I'm happy I have the ED NEMA acting, we have the ED NFA, we have the technical team who are here, who have attended this meeting, and we are going to swing in action. We are going to go out into the field and prompt check on these various small companies who have gotten our license, telling us they are going to add value to our forest products, but at the end they don't add the value and they're exporting. And therefore we shall ensure, in cooperation with other government sister agencies, ensure that the directive is effected from the 29th with immediate effect. And therefore the notice goes out to all those who are affected, that you don't have to wait for us to arrive before you stop it. It is a presidential directive and we have to implement it with immediate effect. Therefore the RDCs, our environmental officers, all the LC5 chairpersons and all the structures of government, we should join hands and ensure that we implement this.
When we say why invest in Uganda, one of the reasons is that Uganda is the 5th most biodiverse country. Which means if you're coming to invest in biodiversity, Uganda is the place to be. So I applaud this initiative by you, Right Honourable Prime Minister, to implement the presidential directive to continue making Uganda an investment destination for biodiversity. And I believe you go further than that, Right Honourable, to also restore the degraded lands. So while we are now stopping this to look at those lands that have been degraded, it's an opportunity again to invest in Uganda for restoration of degraded lands and make us one of the investment destinations for green investments in the world. So I thank you, Right Honourable Prime Minister. We are behind you in this initiative. Thank you.